You have to be careful on who you let remotely access your computers. Now, a lot of you already know about these types of calls and just hang up when it happens. But lately, I've been seeing a lot of people fall victim for these types of scams. Could be that the scammers took 2 years off, and now a lot of you need reminders. So this holiday season could be a good idea to remind friends and family about these types of scams and what to do when it happens. Need pointers? No one from Microsoft or Norton will ever call you to say that there's a problem with your computer. If someone calls you and says there's a problem with your computer, hang up. If something just pops up on the screen with a 1-800 number, don't call. You'd be surprised how many people panic and call these numbers when a typo on a search engine leads them to a page with audio warnings, technical gibberish, and a 1-800 number to call. If you really suspect that there's something wrong with your computer, you can ask Google, Siri, Alexa, or even Cortana for computer help in your local area. There's plenty of us in New Brunswick that can help you with your computers, even remotely. I know I've been doing it for years, so support your local hackers.
And their digital sidekicks.
We've got